Hey there, it's Leslie at Leslie's Cookies and Treats, and let's make some taco cookies for Taco Tuesday. So grab your royal icing in a brownish yellowish color and let's make the taco shell. Your icing consistency should be about a 15-second consistency, and you want to just outline the shell and then use your scribe to settle the icing down and pop any air bubbles. And then I want to pipe just a little bit where the back of the shell is going to show through over here, and I'll just pipe some icing and use my scribe to actually move it into place. So I let my cookies dry, and now I've mixed some gel food color with some color solution, and I've got a fat loose paintbrush here, and I'm just going to flick some color onto these tacos. I want my shells to be a little bit speckled like those tortilla chips you see that have a little bit of spices in them. So I'm just going to flick some different colors on. This might have come out a little darker than what I was going for, but you get the idea. And now I'm going to just use a stiffer consistency brown icing to add in some meat. I'm not going to use a scribe or anything to settle it down. I want it to look kind of bumpy. And I let that dry for about 5 minutes, and now I'm going to go in and add in some tomatoes with a 15-second royal icing. And it's basically just a half circle that I'm putting in here and using my scribe to shape. I let those dry, and now I'm using a 101 tip that I pinched with some pliers, and I'm going to make some lettuce over here. My icing is a stiffer consistency. It's about a 30 to 35-second consistency if I were to count it, but it basically doesn't settle down. It's easy enough to squeeze out, but it doesn't settle down as it dries or sink back into each other. And so I'm just going in a straight up and down motion and then kind of curving it around and then going up and down to make some little lines in the lettuce. And then I can use a dampened paintbrush to kind of push it where I need to go because it is stiffer and it won't just blend together when I jiggle it with the paintbrush. So here's this process again. I'm in an up and down motion. I'm kind of angling the bag out towards the meat a little bit as I go around. I'm spinning it with my board and then laying it a little more flat as I come around the edge over here, and then just stop squeezing and pull away, and then immediately adding the other one. I'm kind of twisting my wrist as I go, so I again can lay the piping bag down more flat against the cookie after I start and kind of curve around. So let me zoom out a little bit more here so you can see more of my hand motion. So as you can see, I'm twisting my wrist while also turning the cookie turntable. And I really like the look of the ruffled lettuce. You don't have to do it this way. You could just do it flat and smooth, kind of like the tomatoes, or with a thicker icing like the meat. So I let my cookie dry overnight, and now I'm just using some luster dust from the Sugar Art, and I'm going to give this taco some rosy cheeks because it happens to be National Smile Day in a couple days, or World Smile Day, I'm not sure which. And it's also National Taco Day on the same day, so I wanted to have some smiling tacos to celebrate. I just dipped my paintbrush in the luster dust and then tapped most of it off on the paper towel, and I'm just using a circular motion to get the cheeks. And I can continue to add color if I need to, but you can't really take color away, so start small. And then I'm just using an edible marker to draw some eyes and a mouth on this taco, and then this cookie will be done. I'll leave a link in the description of all the supplies I used. Anyway, I hope you got some value out of this tutorial. I think these cookies would be super cute for any Cinco de Mayo party or any Taco Tuesday celebration. And if you want to help me out, please hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks so much.